Hi, here's step-by-step guide how to add your Face ID authentication in your Binance application. So, first of all, swipe down and find Binance application. Tap on it, and after that, once we have, we can tap on Binance icon at the top left corner. So, and once we here, we can tap on your username at the very top, and after that scroll down until you find security section and just tap on it. Wait a couple of seconds and now you can see two-factor authentication. So now let me tap on passkeys, and as you can see, here is all of my passkeys authentication. You can tap on add new authentication and just tap on continue. Your Face ID automatically add on your Binance. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. So that's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Binance.